Welcome. Settle yourself into a comfortable yet upright position, keeping your back, neck, and head held straight, without any tightness or straining. Slightly tuck your chin, roll back your shoulders, expanding the chest, welcoming this practice with openness and love. And when you are ready, close your eyes. As you settle yourself in, pay attention to the movements in your body. Notice whether you can invite more stillness and peace into these movements. Welcoming the breath. Welcoming more space with every in-breath and letting go of any tension or worry that your body and your mind may be holding on to. Begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths, breathing in fully and breathing out fully. On your next in-breath, focus on the area surrounding your nose, the pathway of the nose, the nostrils, and the upper lips. See if you can notice what kind of physical sensations the airflow creates as it enters your nostrils. Taking another deep breath in and see what it presents for you. You may feel some tingling, tickling, contracting, expanding, or throbbing. You may notice the breath is slightly cooler on the way in and warmer on the way out. Rest your gentle awareness on the body, breathing in through the nose. And inevitably, if the mind begins to wander, it's okay. Focus on the direct experience of the breath. Staying in touch with the breath in your body to help the mind remain present. Breathing in and breathing out. Our minds are constantly running, replaying moments, events, and experiences that happened in the past, or racing to potential future occurrences. And when our minds are stuck in the past or in the future, we are unable to fully embrace the present moment. Since the past and future do not exist, we are ultimately living in false homes. The true home for the mind can only be the present. By shifting your focus to the here and now, you are less likely to get caught up thinking about the past or the future, and are better able to form deep connections with the world around you. You return home. Home is where you are free from fear. Take a long breath in and acknowledge that deep at the center of your being lays an infinite well of inner peace. And when we are able to tap into this mindful sanctuary within ourselves, we let go of all the anxieties that hold us back. We let go of the habits that prevent us from living in the present moment. When you catch yourself being pulled by this habit without any judgment or frustration, you may kindly recite the following phrases to return to the present moment. I am here. I am home. Allowing ourselves to return to a place where we experience happiness, joy, and endless peace. And as this practice draws to an end, feel your body reawaken, returning to your surroundings. Stretch gently if you wish, and when you are ready, open your eyes.